All right, here we've got a slightly more challenging question than our last one, but still dealing with the area of a square. So we've got a wrestling mat, and on any wrestling mat, it's a square mat with a circle in the center, and the circle has to have a radius of 10. Outside the circle, there must be a padded boundary. Find the total area of the mat if the boundary is at least X feet wide. So I come down here to my drawing, and I look in, I fill in what I know. Well, we know the radius is 10 feet. We don't know what the length is from the center of our circle to the edge of our mat, but we do know the distance from the outside of our mat, from the outside of our circle to the edge of our mat is X feet. So that means that our red segment right here should be 10 plus X. Well, if our red segment's 10 plus X, our entire side of our square should be double that, because we've got from the center to the top, from the center to the bottom. So we should have 10 plus X times 2, or if we distribute, 20 plus 2X. Now, we need to take that, we need to multiply by, that would be our height, our width, which, since we have a square mat, should be the same. So if I write those down, 20 plus 2X times 20 plus 2X, well, I need to multiply those together. Okay, well, how do I do that? Well, there's a couple different ways that we can do that. And I'm going to show you the long way first, and then I'll show you a little bit of a shortcut. So the long way says I should take this whole part here in parentheses, and I should distribute it into each of the terms of my second parenthesis. So 20 plus 2X times 20 plus 20 times 2X plus 2X times 2X. Now once I get this far, I have to distribute again, so I'm going to distribute my 20 into my parenthesis, and I get 400 plus 40x plus 40x plus 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared. I can combine some like terms. I should put this in standard form, so I look and I see, well, I've got x squared. That's my highest power, so that's going to go first. I've got 40x and 40x. Add those together, it gives me 80x. And finally, I've got my 400 on the end.